Welcome to this week's Spice Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a nice beautiful Thai spice vinegar infusion. A nice fragrant little dipping sauce for you there. An ingredients list for that you need are as follows: sugar, ground garlic, Thai chilies, vinegar. And this great simple dish, just going to add some nice Thai chilies, slice them up like so. Garlic. Don't be shy with the garlic. Okay, sugar. Chinese vinegar. And that's it, my friends. Nice, simple little dish. Garlicky, sour, sweet, with a little hint of chili. Wonderful. Now, you can find these recipes in my new Thai cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand, the Thai cookbook, which comes from my recipes I learnt on the road during my 6 years period in Thailand, where I did at least over 60-70 motorbike trips and picked up most of these recipes on the road. Also in between some great diaries of those road trips and what I did up on the Deaf Railway, the bridge on the River Kwai, and some terrifying stories of having to deal with local mafia suppliers, which, you know, is always an iffy subject in some of these places when you're having to take people's business and change them because you want a better quality or a different quality, and they react differently in certain places. So a few crazy stories pertaining to that. King Cobra in the office, particularly one. So don't forget to check that out by clicking on the link to download the ebook, and also it's a hard copy too. The ebook will have videos to go along with them, with hyperlinks, and an interview with me, of course, Mr. Chef, yes. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, new videos every week. And thanks for watching. Bon appetit, folks.